From raw materials to partial assembly, every system of the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder 2026 is meticulously crafted. Behold the full fleet. 1,000 Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladders 2026, factory new and ready for deployment. Welcome to Nex Forge, where the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder 2026 begins its journey. Raw steel enters for the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. Precision cutting begins for the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. The foundation of the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder takes shape. Strength is forged into the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. Stability built into the Red and Black. Built into the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. Every joint secured for the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. Engineered support for the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. Prepared to carry the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. Power meets structure in the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. The ladder core forms for the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. Body panels shaped for the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. Built for smooth extension in the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. Utility crafted into the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. The command center rises within the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. Every weld perfected on the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. Refimention continues for the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. Prepared for the next stage of the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. Reinforced strength in the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. Precision movement built into the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. Rain into Red Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. Foundation secured inside the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. Alignment perfected for the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. The Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder advances to mechanical assembly. The heart of the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder takes form. Precision power assembled for the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. Every component engineered for the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. Sealed and secured for the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. Smooth drivetrain integration for the Red and Black Fire Truck Aerial Ladder. power meets structure in the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Drivetrain completed for the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Hydraulic strength built into the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Implemented rugged fired aerial ladder. Electrical systems integrated into the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Smart control inside the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Engineered exhaust for the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Endurance prepared for the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Thermal control secured for the red ladder. For the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Lift capability perfected in the provided fire truck aerial ladder. The command cabin joins the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Built with durability for the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Surface prepared for the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Detail precision for the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Base protection for the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Cured and strengthened for the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Bold red defines the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Sealed in brilliance for the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Sharp black contrast completes the red and black fire truck aerial ladder.
Let's test the left arm. Check the diagnostics. Right, running the sequence now. It's extending smoothly. Watch the elbow joint. Confirmed. Full extension achieved. Looks good.
Flawless finish on the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. The red and black fire truck aerial ladder moves toward final completion.
The calibration on this arm is spot on. Good. Let's see the full extension. Initiating now. Watch the joints. Perfect range, no obstructions. Excellent. Let's check the other one.
Control systems carefully integrated into the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Comfort and safety prepared inside the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Precision electrical connections for the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Command and control installed in the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Organized utility installed in the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Stopping power perfected on the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Ready to roll, the red and black fire truck aerial ladder gains its wheels. Vital systems primed for the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Energy systems engaged on the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Systems calibrated for the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Emergency lighting confirmed on the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Precision lift tested on the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Firefighting readiness ensured for the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Surface perfection achieved on the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Revealing the factory new finish of the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Final checks confirm readiness for the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Certified and ready, the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. A masterpiece of engineering, the red and black fire truck aerial ladder stands complete. Precision reach tested on the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Utility and readiness verified on the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Operational systems perform flawlessly on the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. Emergency readiness confirmed for the red and black fire truck aerial ladder. The red and black fire truck aerial ladder, factory new, ready for action, perfected in every detail.